Good afternoon. No? So this is basically the new concierge experience for St. Louis. So I'm sorry, just a brief intro of myself. I'm Ryan Uy, and I'm the product manager for this solution. So let me take you through the solution itself. So first here we have latest news. So basically this is the new or the information page of the solution itself. So we can post here your trends, your promos, or maybe even, example, this one, contract review. So information about other services that the hospital can provide. Next, you have the entertainment. So here we have live entertainment. So actually, we also just included the mass channel of St. Luke's here. Sorry. So, but yeah, you'll be able to enjoy also the other live channels that you can enjoy at home. Next, we also have the apps, right? So this is what Sir Dennis is talking about. So we have all the OTT apps that anyone can ever want here in the box. And click Netflix, click Disney Plus, click YouTube, scan the QR code, log in. And if anyone wants to log out, there's just one simple log out of apps, and everything will be included. So no need to worry about any patient, confidentiality. Yeah. So next, we have the in-room dining. So basically, you can order any food from TV itself. No need to call, no need to phone telephone, ask for a number. You call the concierge itself to order food. So here, just basically click, add to cart, and check out, and you're done. Last, we have the About Center. So basically, services that are within St. Luke's itself. So for example, urgent care, you can put it there. Emergency care, research, for basically all the other information that the guests need in order to navigate to the hotel. So here we have the visitor's guide, St. Luke's, and lastly the patient's guide. Yeah. And basically the last button here is the St. Luke's eHub. So you click that, it redirects first, for now, to our browser, that redirects to the eHub hub that contains all your patient info. So instead of having to navigate your phone, you can all navigate it through the TV. Yeah. So basically that's it for the solution, and we really hope that this will help in the operations of St. Luke's itself and also uplift the guests' lives within the hospital. So thank you.